Jamaican done.
When I'm working on the club never mind a stroke. A stroke is when like a area of the brain not getting any blood, so it have an effect where it numbs the area of the body. Yeah? Me in the club and I just feel like the right side of my face are numb, and like my face are twist. Anyway, I just work through the night and thing, and then the other morning I go doctor and then send me straight to UA to do a CT scan and whatever test because my first stroke is very serious now. We never even take it that serious. I say, we just wake up and go to the doctor, but the doctor actually told me, said, me should have just leave the club immediately as I feel it and just go straight to the hospital because something could have been worse. So just like you've got cancer, every limb I work, I'm still talking, I'm still walking. It can be blood circulation, it can be high blood pressure, which my blood pressure wasn't high, so we know that one there. And if then my sugar is high because I'm diabetic, it can be stress, it can be not getting any rest, which I don't get much rest either because I work a day and I work a night. So one of the main advice from the doctor was that I need rest. So because of my diabetes issue and then not resting, they're saying that could be a main factor to trigger this. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.